Greetings, Solid Roc family. You're now tuning in to Solid Roc Entertainment with your host on the Central Coast, Samuel Gardner. In today's video, I want to discuss about a young man by the name of Conroy Shakespeare. Now, over the years, I've been a man that always say that inspiration can come from anyone, anything, and anywhere. And recently, myself, have been highly inspired by Mr. Conroy Shakespeare. Now, who is Conroy Shakespeare, you ask? He's a 12-year-old boy who has decided to take up manly responsibilities, for the sake of his mother being unemployed, going through some rough times. Conroy, who is fed up of seeing his mother being frustrated, decided to take up matters into his own hands. And he's doing so by taking his lunch money, and he bought himself a small chicken farm where he's raising young chickens. And he saved his lunch money and put it together and did such. And I'm telling you, I'm highly inspired by that. And just to see this young man taking care of his mother and are frustrated of seeing his mother struggle. And here's a clip from the Star, the Weekly Star, the popular newspaper, magazine newspaper from out of Jamaica, covering the story. And I thought, it touched me, and I thought that maybe it will touch you also who view this. And tune in. Check it out from the Star. Conroy Shakespeare, keep doing what you're doing. Solid Roc, keep everything solid.
Meet Conroy Shakespeare.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I just want to be a farmer.
You may have seen videos of him on Facebook. This 12-year-old has a small chicken rearing business, which he was able to start by saving his lunch money. He started with 6 chickens in a small coop in his backyard.
How much you pay for the 6 of them?
680.
680. And so they give you one more upon it.
Extra 187. Sometimes I don't have no money, sometimes chef here cook rice with butter, sometimes I don't like that. Sometimes just stand at school hungry, buy chicken and feed them and buy boost and buy water can.
It may seem like a small venture, but for Conroy, it represents the ticket that will take his family out of poverty.